Hello everyone, it is spring outside, it's beautiful, it is Easter Sunday, and today I wanted to show you how I am welcoming in my family and my friends with a couple of really bright, beautiful wreaths that I made. I got all my materials at a great price. This was pretty quick and easy to put together, plus they only cost about $8 each to make. And I'll show you how coming up next. Okay, so right outside my neighborhood there is a combination Dollar Tree, Family Dollar together. And I just heard that Family Dollar is going out of business. I think Dollar Tree bought Family Dollar, but the store is closing, so everything must go. And look at this burlap ribbon. I got white and I got burlap color, and everything is on sale. Everything's 30% off. Each item that I got was 87 cents. So I picked up this nice wreath that is like a wicker wreath. I painted it white, and I got some flowers, these beautiful yellow flowers. I have yellow flowers on my porch, so I wanted to sort of match that. Got these off-white cream roses I may use. I definitely want to use these. Look at these beautiful tulips. They are like a velvety material, and they look really beautiful. So I got that, and I got some yellow sprays. I got these cattails. I got some green leaf vines and some greenery. So I want to make a really bright spring-like wreath for my front door. Actually, two of them for my double doors. So let's see what we can come up with. Okay, so first I think I want to start by tying a big pretty bow at the top of this wreath. So I'm taking the burlap and the white burlap, and I cut about 38 inches, and I'm gonna tie a bow like right at the top off to the side. And I want to fan out that bow so that it sort of goes around. I'm going to alternate the colors. White burlap, all the way around. And just make them nice, big, and pretty. Now the ends I want to curl. So they're nice and pretty at the bottom, and neaten up the ends by cutting the end part just nice and neat. And I think I want the ribbon to trail all the way down to below the wreath. So I'm going to cut some more ribbon and just add it to the bow. I'm not going to make another bow. I'm just going to let the ends trail down by tying a knot. And I'm just going to hand curl these two. And I like that better. So what I want to do is I'm starting with the ribbon first because I want to kind of intertwine the flowers in between the ribbon. So let's start adding some flowers. Let's start with the greenery first. I want that to be sort of a background. And I found these little wreaths that were a vine, and I'm going to separate this and just wrap it around my wreath. Now I want my flowers and everything to be off to one side so that a lot of the wicker wreath will show. So I'm just going to wrap this starting on just before the ribbon, and then I'm going to have it go all the way down to half of the other side of the wreath. And just to extend this greenery out a little longer, let's add some of this monkey grass. And I'm going to bend that down and around, spread that out so that it stands out in the background. Now I can start adding my flowers. I want to start with these magnolias, and I'm going to put one right in the middle of the bow. And a couple more going down the left side. And now I want to add some of these yellow wildflowers. Oh, and of course I want to add these beautiful tulips. I think I'm just going to sort of keep these at the end. I'm going to cascade them down on the side at the bottom. Something like that. Now that is pretty with bright white and yellow, but I think I want to add a little drama. So I'm going to add some of these yellow sprays also in the background. I'll let this one extend out into the right side and then add one sort of spraying the other way on the left side. And then I'll add one piece right up in the middle of the bow. Now that's looking really pretty. Let's see what it looks like on black. That's the color of my door. It's looking really nice. And I think I'm going to hang this so that the flowers are on one side. Something like this. Let's see if I need to add anything else. These flowers are very pretty. I love these. But I think I have enough flowers, so I'm not going to add these. But I do want to add these cattails. Just a few of them. I want to put them at the top here where the sprays start to turn, just to make a nice little transition and to add that green. This is sort of a green yellow. I think it'll kind of tie everything in together. And with that, I think I'm done. Now I have double doors, so I made 2 of these, and I just mirrored the other one so that all of the flowers are on the right side on the second piece. So to hang these, I'm just going to tie a piece of wire on the back. I have wrought iron door with some ironwork detail, so I'm just going to hang it from one of the little detail loops on the door. So I'm just slipping the wire into the hole of the wicker wreath from the back, and I want to hang it so that, like I said, it hangs off to the side. And this is what it looks like hanging from my door. I really love it. There's not too many colors. It's basically just yellow and white with a little green, but it feels very bright and warm, very springy, and it's perfect for Easter. So let's see, I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 floral pieces, plus the wreath, plus the 2 ribbons. That's 9 pieces at 87 cents. So that is $7.83 per wreath. I think that's a great deal for a very bright, sunny spring welcome into my home. Happy Easter. I hope you have a beautiful week, and I'll see you in the next video. Want more detailed instructions on some of these projects? On my Etsy store, for just a few dollars, you can get instant digital downloads of full color step-by-step instructions with templates for some of your favorite projects. And check out my Amazon page where you can pick up my Book of Elegant Home Crafts, Volume 1, with all your favorite projects together in one big, beautiful, colored, step-by-step instruction book. You can also get separate e-project booklets and full-color printed project booklets, all on my Amazon page. You'll also see all my favorite crafting tools and supplies seen on this show, and you can add them all to your cart for the one-click, fast, and easy shopping delivery convenience of Amazon. On social media, follow me at Your Hustle Home and Your Hustle Home TV. Like, share, subscribe, and your support is so appreciated.